don't know if you can see the bit of snow still on the hills over there, but it's quite cold, wet. I'm looking along here, we're at Spithope at the minute, but I don't know if you can see the log piles along there because they're harvesting up there at the moment. But I let Bodhi out the car, out the truck. There's a little van coming with a couple of women in. I don't know what they were looking for, like, but they reversed and turned around and went back out, unless they're trying to walk their dogs as well. This is a track along the Spithope Quarry. Colin Bell will know this pretty well from his younger days. Elaine will be kicking herself because she's not out for a walk this afternoon. Well, not much of a walk, because Bodhi sniffs that much. You don't do much walking, believe me, without shouting at him. Come on, Bodhi. He takes no notice, of course. This has all been recorded on the phone, of course. Oh, he's really gonna take a while. How slow boat to China. Bodhi, he's on the move. Come on, boy. Come on, walk on. Wow, it's not very nice. Cold. I don't know, it might be just me, of course. But chilly. The winds have been horrendous. They're not too bad at the moment, but they have been horrendous over the past few days. And it's starting to rain now, again, just for a change, of course. I had a little run out on the Himalayan last week. Up the Chesters and through a few track roads up there. It was a great ride out, but it was another bitterly cold ride. And the colour, the condition, the muck on the bike was weird. It was like bloody hardened cement when I got back home. The mixture of the slurry that's lying on the roads around the farms and bits of salt off the main roads and what have you. But horrible stuff. But I washed it off before I put her out of bed. Yeah. He's taking his time, alright. He is taking his time. There's lots of pine cones, fir cones on this tree here. Squirrels one of the birds squirrel anyway. The seeds out of these. That's why they do so well in pine forests. The great can't eat them, can't digest them. Reservoir out across there in the distance. I don't think we'll go too far along here. It'll be pretty wet along here, like it always is in the back corner, so it's thicker mud. Now here's a birdie. Don't know if the phone's picking any of them up, like, but I'm a bit sing-song. Those are trees there up the bankside, Spithope Farm. Spithope Farm house anyway. I've got the boggy soggy bit now. As you can see, I'll put you back on because I pressed the button on the phone, turned the blinking camera off. Bodhi's gone to that side. Yeah, it's pretty. It's always wet on this corner, like it's usually full of. Later on, it'll be absolutely heaving full of frogs for because it's very. Unless it's really hot, it doesn't dry out very much. This corner, Bodhi doesn't know where to go. Now here I'm squidging through it. Now I'm walking through it now. Spithope Quarry. You do. There you go, there's a bit of culvert pipe that would be better for your Donovan Senior, Little D. You can build a house in that one. Spithope Quarry. Woohoo! Be careful, I'll turn the bloody thing off again because I'm changing my arms because my arm's aching holding the phone up in the air. Right, Bodhi? My boy. Do a quick change over our hands with a stick. There we go. All over the shop. Not very steady. No bug down there. Oh. Now he's going to walk through the water. No, it's not. Walk through the sphagnum moss like a big cushion sponge. Used as a field dressing in World War I do believe. Sphagnum moss, also great for holding water. Little D was saying, Donovan Senior, about if you need a drink, handful of sphagnum moss and squeeze, and it'll be full of water. Yep, it's raining nicely now. Hey, yabba dabba do. The Flintstones. Wow. Lovely jubbly. The one's right. Woohoo! Bodhi boy. Of course I try to run straight across this road in front, and as I say there's big piles of logs up there, so logging wagons are coming up and down all the time to load up. Bodhi, wait. And I obviously won't think about expecting dogs run, well they should expect dogs running across the backwards and forward across the track, but they don't care. Especially the speeds of the driver. I always in a huge hurry. Of course it's money to them, I suppose. Right? Quicker they get unloaded, quicker they get loaded up again. Windy city, very overcast, like the sky. Misty white, you know. Hurry up. Try and stop it from running out onto the road. Bodhi, come on, Right folks, I'm going to sign off now. I know it's just been a short little walk, but haven't done very much for quite a while for different reasons, but anyhow. Right, see you soon, take care, see you on the flip side.